Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull app for beginners step by step. Open the app, create an account, verify identity, and set up two-factor authentication for security. Explore watch lists, charts, indicators, and news to research stocks. Learn to place market, limit, and stop orders with clear order sizes and risk limits. Use the paper trading mode to practice without real money before you invest confidently. Start by building a focused watch list that matches your interests and risk tolerance. Use interactive charts with moving averages, RSI, and volume to spot trend direction and momentum. Read the latest company news, earnings, and analyst commentary to add daily context. Save templates and alerts so you never miss big moves. Keep notes on your observations and rank opportunities by conviction before you decide to commit real capital with discipline. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Robot Face, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It connects with your phone and schedules cleanings so you can focus on trading and learning. Check the description for the link and current deals, but I won't post the URL here. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once you understand a setup, pick the right order type for your goal and time frame. Market orders execute immediately, while limit orders control your entry price and stop orders manage downside risk. Always define positions, size, and risk per trade to protect capital. Review estimated fees and margin requirements before submitting orders. Practice entries and exits in paper trading until your process is consistent and repeatable before using real funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.